The Arno XI Hydroplane represents a unique intersection of automotive and marine engineering, distinguished as the only boat officially powered by a Ferrari Formula One racing engine. Built between 1952 and 1953 by Cantiere Tomasi Boatyard on Lake Como, this remarkable vessel was conceived by racing champion Achille Castoldi with a singular purpose: to break the water speed record. The project gained momentum through Castoldi's connections with Ferrari racing drivers Alberto Ascari and Luigi Villaresi, who helped secure a Ferrari engine. When Enzo Ferrari learned that Castoldi had painted the upper section of the boat in Ferrari red, he became personally invested in the project. Ferrari provided a race specification Grand Prix engine from the Type 375 F1 car, the same model that had secured Ferrari's first World Championship Grand Prix victory at Silverstone in 1951, with José Froilán González at the wheel. The engineering team, led by Ferrari's chief engineer Stefano Meazza, transformed the already powerful 4.5-liter V12 engine into a marine masterpiece. They implemented several crucial modifications, increasing the compression ratio for methanol fuel compatibility, installing twin magnetos for enhanced spark delivery, equipping each cylinder with dual spark plugs, and adding 2 superchargers driven by the crankshaft. These modifications boosted the engine's output from 385 brake horsepower to an impressive 502 to 600 brake horsepower at 6,000 revolutions per minute. On October 15, 1953, Castoldi piloted the Arno XI to a historic achievement on Lake Iseo in northern Italy, setting a world speed record of 150.19 miles per hour in the 800-kilogram class, a record that remarkably still stands today. The boat's success continued under new ownership when engineer Nando Dell'Orto acquired it and modified its aerodynamics, securing a second-place finish in 1965 before the vessel's competitive retirement. The Arno XI's construction features a solid hardwood frame with a metal subframe and mahogany outer skin. Over the years, it has undergone various aerodynamic improvements, including a modified nose and the addition of a stabilizing fin. In the 1990s, the boat received a comprehensive restoration and was later certified by Ferrari Classiche. The engine was converted to run on 100-octane gasoline instead of methanol, making it more practical for modern demonstration runs while preserving its historical significance. The vessel's value has appreciated significantly over time. It sold for €868,000 at auction, and in 2021, it was listed for sale with an asking price of $12 million. The Arno XI comes with extensive documentation, including period photographs and handwritten notes from Ferrari's engineers, making it a unique piece of both maritime and automotive history. This extraordinary hydroplane predated the official Ferrari-Riva collaboration of 1990, which produced 40 Riva Ferrari 32 speedboats. While these later boats featured twin 390 brake horsepower engines, the Arno XI remains unmatched as Ferrari's only official racing boat and the holder of a long-standing world speed record.